How to make Opera GX default browser. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make Opera GX your phone's default browser. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the app, and then once you're on Opera GX, you have to tap on this Opera icon in the bottom right corner here, and then tap on settings, and in settings scroll down, and here you will see set as default browser. You have to turn this toggle on, so tap on it and it will take you to your phone's settings. Now here you will see browser app, tap on it and select Opera GX, and now the Opera GX is set as default browser on your phone. So this is how you can make Opera GX default browser on your phone. Thanks for watching.